Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we will talk about the derivative of the trigonometric functions. We have three rules which are very simple. First, the derivative of sine x, the derivative of cosine x, and the derivative of tan x. In those two, the f dash x equals, here the opposite of sine is cosine. So cosine x is a derivative. If you have a function that equals sine x, then the derivative is cosine x. But if you have a function which equals cosine x, then the derivative will be negative sine x. Take notice of the negative here. So this is the second rule. The third rule is if we have fx equal tan x, then the derivative equals secant square x. So those two are not related to each other. And by the way, the secant is the reciprocal of the cosine. So the sec x equals 1 over cosine x, and accordingly we can type this in another way, which is like this: 1 over cosine square x. So the derivative of tan x may be written like this, or may be written like this. So these are our three rules. So let's apply them in some example. If we have fx equals x sine x, here we must apply the rules of the derivative that we mentioned in the last videos. Those are multiplied by each other. So what we will do is get the derivative of the first and drop the second as it is. So the derivative of x is 1. 1 multiplied by sine x gives sine x. Plus, get the derivative of the second and drop the first as it is. So we'll drop the x, and the derivative of sine x, as we just mentioned, is cosine x. So this is the derivative of our function. Another example. If we have fx equals sine x over cosine x, here we have two ways to solve this. As fx equals sine x over cosine x, then it will equal tan x. So the derivative, fairly from the rule, we will just write it sec square x. This is the first way. Another one may get the derivative of those by using the rule of the getting the derivative of two functions divided by each other. So f dash x at that time will be, again, the derivative of the first cosine x multiplied by the denominator, so we get cosine square x negative the derivative of the denominator, which is negative sine x, multiplied by the numerator, so we get negative sine square x over cosine square x. Then cosine square x, we have two negatives here to give a positive sine square x over cosine square x. Here we have a rule which says that cosine square x plus sine square x gives us 1. If we have this expression, so it equals 1. So we can write it this way: 1 over cosine square x. And this equals this because we have mentioned that the 6 is the reciprocal of the cosine. So f dash x equals sec square x, and this is our final result. They are the same, and this may be used as a proof why does tan x equals 6 square x. And this is it for today. The next time we will have more examples on the derivatives of trigonometric functions. And till then, I thank you for watching and see you next time.